His name is Jupiter, if you guys don't know. Jupiter, out to some of those parks and restaurants.
There are some great places to take them. A lot of splash pads too. I like going to the one in Forest Park and then Tower Grove Park. So Jupiter, I would imagine, would like that as well. Especially with how hot it's been, you need the water to cool you down because it's just, otherwise it feels a bit uncomfortable if you're just kind of standing out in the sun in the middle of it. It'll be a little bit before things warm up. Temperatures right now are sitting in the 60s across the area. So when you step outside, you're going to feel comfortable. It's 68 degrees downtown. Notice, however, it looks a little hazy in the BJC Skycam. Those aren't clouds. I've been watching the satellite imagery, and while we did have a narrow band of clouds moving through, mostly what you're seeing is the wildfire smoke from Canadian wildfires. I expect that to improve tomorrow. For right now, we're looking at temperatures upper 60s. Actually, Troy, Missouri has now hit 70 degrees at this 8 a.m. hour. We're going to be in the mid 70s by 10 if you're going to the farmers market, perhaps by noon, 81. Mainly sunny skies, and that's something we're going to be seeing through the day. A high temperature of 88, mostly sunny and dry, and the best news of the day, humidity is still low. If you're going to any of the local lakes, today's a great lake day because we'll be seeing some of the warmest temperatures of the weekend, ranging from mid 80s to even upper 80s, like Lake of the Ozarks, for example. Going to be closing in on that 90-degree mark. However, notice Sunday, we start to see some rain from Carlisle Lake to Wren Lake, even Lake of the Ozarks and Mark Twain Lake. That also drops our temperature, so not as warm tomorrow as we are today. And then if you're off work on Monday for the Juneteenth holiday, we're going to be seeing dry weather in the afternoon and another warm day for the lake. But with the rain moving in, the wildfire smoke that we have overhead from Canada, that's going to start to drift off to the east. It's going to mix out a little bit. So while today will appear milky white, I don't expect that tomorrow. But then what's sort of a trade-off is while we don't have the smoke tomorrow, this is Sunday's forecast, we are going to have the rain. So low pressure does begin to move in, a cold front with it. It starts to lift up to the northeast. This helps to keep temperatures a little bit cooler, and then some spot showers and thunderstorms possible in the morning. However, the bulk of the rain, that arrives by the afternoon. There is going to be some dry time mixed in with this. Notice by 11 o'clock, for example, more rain out in Missouri. Illinois is dry. However, by the afternoon, they start to see some scattered showers and thunderstorms as well. It continues into the evening. This is a look at 6 o'clock. So there will be some intermittent dry time with all of this. But when the rain does set up overhead, you can expect a burst of that rainfall quickly, maybe some lightning possible as well, some isolated wind gusts, but severe potential is on the lower end. Not expecting that. If it changes, we'll let you know. Amounts will range generally from 1/10 of an inch to 1/2 inch. I think that's going to be the most common, and then a lucky few will see upwards of 1 inch. And given how dry we've been, we'll take any drop of rainfall that we can get. Monday's rain mainly in the morning. Just a 20% chance of an isolated shower. And then we quickly heat up after that rain clears out. We're nearing that 90-degree mark on Tuesday. We're in the 90s on Wednesday. By the way, Wednesday is also the official start of the summer season.
Yeah, just in time for that warm up. Thank you, Leah. Well, the Cardinals are staying consistent, but at